Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the tortoise shell stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the slip stitch, the single crochet stitch, the double crochet stitch, and the triple crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 5 plus 2. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Make 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 4 chains. Into the next one, make a single crochet. Make 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 4 chains. Into the next chain, make a single crochet. Make 5 chains, 3, 4, 5. Skip 4 chains. Into the next one, make a single crochet. Make 5 chains, 3, 4, 5. Skip 4 chains. Into the last chain of your row, make a single crochet. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 5 chains. We're going to skip the first stitch of our row. We're going to be working into this previous chain 5 space. Make 1 triple crochet into this chain 5 space. Make 1 double crochet into this same space. Make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to slip stitch into the first chain that you made out of these 4, so this one right here. Make a double crochet into this same space. And then make a triple crochet all in the same space. So that's going to be triple crochet, double crochet, chain 4 slip stitched together to make this little peacock of chains, double crochet, triple crochet, all in this previous chain 5 space. Make 2 chains. Then you're going to skip over to the next space and make all of this over again. So you're going to make a triple crochet, double crochet, chain 4, slip stitch into that first chain that you had made out of the chain 4, double crochet into this same space, triple crochet into this same space, chain 2 to skip to the next space. So you're going to make this same sequence into each previous chain 5 space until you reach the last stitch of your row. When you reach the last stitch of your row, make 1 chain and then make 1 triple crochet into this last stitch to complete row 2. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of your row, make 1 single crochet. This row is going to be very similar to our first row. Make 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to skip over all of this to the first chain 2 spaces between these tortoiseshell stitches. So it's going to be this spot right here, and you're going to make a single crochet. Make 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip everything over to this chain 2 space and make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip everything to this chain 2 space and make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip everything until this last space of your row and make a single crochet. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the tortoiseshell stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.